Welcome back. Today we're diving into Oceania, a region of endless blue horizons, ancient cultures, and breathtaking beauty. For solo women travelers, safety is always top of mind. This guide is for anyone dreaming of exploring the Pacific Islands with confidence. We'll cover 12 of the safest, most incredible destinations, from Australia and New Zealand to the remote paradises of Kiribati and Palau. I'll share not just safety tips, but the feeling of each place, the warmth of its people, and the best times to visit. If you're passionate about solo travel and discovering new cultures, you're in the right place. Let's get started and explore the wonders of Oceania together. First up is Australia, a continent of contrasts and a fantastic starting point for solo travelers. With excellent infrastructure, low crime rates, and a shared language, it's easy to navigate and feel secure. Whether you're exploring Melbourne's laneways, the outback, or snorkeling the Great Barrier Reef, Australia offers independence and adventure. Safety here means being nature smart, respect the ocean, wildlife, and always let someone know your plans if venturing out alone. The diversity is unmatched. Find solitude in national parks, community in cities, and thrill in coral reefs. For southern cities, visit in spring, September-November, or autumn, March-May. For the tropical north, aim for the dry season, April-September. Australia invites you to be bold and discover your own strength. Next, we cross to New Zealand, one of the world's safest and most peaceful countries. Here, dramatic landscapes and a strong sense of community create a haven for solo adventurers. The Maori concept of manakitanga, hospitality and respect, means you're welcomed and supported, not scrutinized. Well-maintained trails, clear signage, and excellent infrastructure make exploring easy and safe. Hike, kayak, or simply soak in the epic scenery, New Zealand empowers you to find peace and capability in nature. Visit in summer, December-February, for the best weather, or try spring and autumn for fewer crowds and stunning colors. It's a magical, confidence-boosting destination. Fiji's spirit is as warm as its sun. Over 300 islands offer postcard beaches and genuine hospitality. The Bula greeting is more than a word, it's a way of life, making solo women feel safe and cared for. The outer islands like Yasawas and Mamanucas offer everything from lively hostels to peaceful guest houses. Dress modestly in villages and stay aware in busy markets, but overall, Fiji is relaxed and secure. The biggest risk? Missing your ferry because you're lost in conversation. Visit during the dry season, May-October, for clear skies and perfect island hopping weather. Fiji encourages you to slow down, connect, and just be. Samoa is a Pacific secret. Lush rainforests, blowholes, and waterfalls, but its heart is Fa'a Samoa, the Samoan way. This culture of respect and community makes crime against visitors rare and hospitality genuine. Stay in a traditional failed beach hut, share meals with locals, and experience true connection. Renting a car is easy, roads are quiet, and locals are always ready to help. Take your time, swim in the Tosua Trench, visit blowholes, and hike rainforests. The dry season, May-October, offers the best weather for exploring and relaxing. Samoa rewards slow travel and authentic experiences. It's a peaceful, welcoming escape. Vanuatu's 83 islands are alive with volcanoes, blue holes, and vibrant traditions. The strong costume culture emphasizes respect and harmony, making solo women feel protected and welcome. Markets are friendly, not pushy, and the pace is relaxed. Stand on the rim of Mount Yasur, dive world-class wrecks, or witness unique ceremonies. Adventure here feels safe and supported. Infrastructure can be basic, but the cultural richness and natural beauty are unmatched. Visit during the dry season, April-October, for the best weather and outdoor adventures. Vanuatu is raw, authentic, and unforgettable. Tonga, the only Pacific monarchy never colonized, is steeped in tradition and tranquility. Known as the Friendly Islands, Tonga's conservative religious society ensures a respectful, safe environment. Dress modestly outside resorts and embrace the slow pace of island life. Swim with humpback whales from July to October, a life-changing experience. Explore ancient sites, deserted beaches, and rustic eco-resorts in the outer islands. The dry season, May-October, brings pleasant weather and whale encounters. Tonga is about quiet moments, deep culture, and natural wonder. It's a true gem for solo travelers. Palau is a marine sanctuary and a paradise for eco-conscious travelers. Its conservation ethos creates a calm, respectful tourism scene and a strong sense of safety. Dive or snorkel the UNESCO-listed rock islands, kayak mangroves, or swim in Jellyfish Lake. Nature is the star here. The local culture blends Micronesian, Melanesian, and Asian influences with a focus on family and respect. Crime is rare, and the atmosphere is peaceful. Visit during the dry season, December-April, for the best diving and weather. Palau is a pristine, nature-focused escape. The Cook Islands are a homey, safe haven with stunning beaches and a warm Polynesian spirit. Rarotonga's single road makes getting lost impossible. Rent a scooter and explore at your own pace. Locals are welcoming, and it's easy to connect with others at markets or on group tours. Don't miss Aitutaki's breathtaking lagoon, one of the world's most beautiful. The dry season, April-November, brings sunny days and perfect beach weather. Shoulder months offer fewer crowds and great conditions. The Cook Islands are pure paradise for solo women. French Polynesia, think Tahiti, Bora Bora, Moorea, is the South Pacific dream, and it's not just for honeymooners. Well-developed infrastructure and a gentle local culture make solo travel easy and safe. Moorea is especially great for independent travelers. Explore by scooter, hike, and stay in family-run guest houses. Swim with sharks and rays, hike to waterfalls, and savor local cuisine. Visit during the dry season, May-October, for the best weather and activities. Shoulder months offer a balance of good weather and fewer crowds. French Polynesia is beauty, adventure, and culture in one. Papua New Guinea is for experienced adventurers, raw, diverse, and deeply rewarding. Urban areas can be risky. Always travel with reputable guides and operators. The magic lies in remote regions, over 800 cultures, vibrant festivals, and profound connections. Witness sing-sings, explore the Sepik River, or visit matrilineal Trobriand Islands. The challenges are real, but the rewards are immense. PNG changes your perspective. Visit during the dry season, May-October, for better travel conditions and major festivals. With the right planning, PNG is an unforgettable frontier. It's a journey for the truly curious. The Solomon Islands offer pristine reefs, Vanuatu history, and a gentle introduction to Melanesian culture. Exercise caution in Honiara, but the outer islands are safe, welcoming, and community-focused. Dive among historic wrecks, explore vibrant villages, and experience authentic, unscripted interactions. The artistry and warmth of the people make every visit memorable. Visit during the dry season, June-September, for the best weather and underwater visibility. The Solomon Islands are a soulful, off-the-beaten-path adventure. It's a diver's and history lover's dream. Kiribati, pronounced Kiribati, is remote, resilient, and deeply connected to the ocean. There's no mass tourism here, just a welcoming, communal culture and a simple way of life. Crime is virtually non-existent. Safety comes from the community's care. Stay in family-run guest houses, learn local traditions, and witness the realities of climate change firsthand. The experience is about slowing down, observing, and adapting. Visit during the dry season, March-October, for the best conditions, but flexibility is key. Travel here is an adventure. Kiribati offers perspective and connection you won't find elsewhere. It's a journey for the open-minded. That's 12 incredible Oceania destinations, each offering adventure, culture, and safety for solo women. From Australia's vastness to Kiribati's fragile beauty, these places will welcome and empower you. Match your spirit to the right destination, plan for the best season, and set out with confidence. I hope this guide inspires your own Pacific journey. Share your experiences or questions in the comments. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and join our community of fearless female travelers. Until next time, travel safely, travel bravely, and keep exploring.